Hey, what's going on everyone? Patrick here from A2 Phone Repair. Today we got a Sony PlayStation 5 with an absolutely destroyed HDMI port. Unfortunately, this customer's son was running through the hall and got caught up on the HDMI cable and pulled the PlayStation down off the shelf. And that is the result right there, a destroyed HDMI port. But no sweat, we're gonna get that replaced. It does require a little bit of soldering and a few hours, and we'll get this customer good to go. All right, and we're back with that PS5 with a fresh HDMI port installed. Let's go throw this on the monitor and see if everything works properly. All right, HDMI port was successfully replaced. We do these type of repairs in-house, which is really nice because it's the same day turnaround, one day at most. If you'd like to schedule an appointment, feel free to visit us at www.a2phonerepair.com. We do Xboxes as well, Nintendos, PlayStations, obviously. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Happy gaming.